Hey guys, it's Brianna. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as hit the notification bells at the bottom of this screen to get an update on my whole video schedule. So I was inspired by Carli Bybel. She's amazing. She did this dark cherry look. I think it was last year. I'm not too sure. So this is the look that I came up with. I love vampy colors, I love fall colors, I love Valentine's Day. So this is my take on a dark cherry Valentine's Day look. I hope you like it, and if you do, please stay tuned so you can see just how I got this look. So I went ahead and taped the corners of my eyes for a very dramatic, sharp edge. And I'm using Katsina from the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place with a fluffy blending brush. And this is just going to go as my transition shade above my crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Jamila, also by Juvia's Saharan palette, and this time I'm using a more dense blending brush, and this is going right below my transition shade. Next, I am going in with Zulu. This is from the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. I really like this shade. It's a nice dark brown, and it's just going to go ahead and start transitioning this red into a deeper brownish red. And I'm focusing this color on my outer corner and then bringing it inward. Here I am taking my E17 brush by Morphe, and it's a clean blending brush, and I'm just using this to diffuse any harsh edges. Here I am going in with the color Ada. This is like a nice brick red, and I'm going above my crease since my eyelids are slightly hooded, and this is just deepening the red color. Here I'm still using the color Ada. This time I'm putting it in the inner corner of my eye just so I can distribute that color faster. Here I'm going in with this deep purple called Jezebel, And I'm using my e.l.f. C brush. I absolutely love this brush. This is my go-to brush for smoky eyes or focusing anything on the outer V of your eye. I think this brush was probably $3 to $5 and I got it from Walmart. Here I'm going back in with a clean blending brush just to continue to diffuse any harsh lines. Here I'm going in with this dark brown shade called Kenya. I absolutely love this shade as well. I'm just deepening this color even more because we're going for a dark cherry vampy look for this Valentine's Day. Here I'm going in with Calabar. It's like a metallic cranberry color, and I wanted to do a halo eye this time. This is my first time ever doing a halo eye. So what you do is you just focus this color on the center of your eyelid and you diffuse it outwards by blending. I'm tightlining with my Morphe bullet brush. That's not the real name of it, but I just like to call it a bullet brush because it looks like a bullet. But anyway, I'm tightlining with that just to keep this look very dramatic. In the next clip, I'm using Dodo Mink Lashes in D112. If you'd like money off, please use the code below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bells. I do upload every week.